I have boneless de-skin chicken thighs. I'm going to be seasoning that with my season mix that has like paprika, seasonal, all kinds of seasons. I'll make a separate video on that. I have some chili flakes, chicken flavor, lemon pepper, garlic salt, garlic powder, roasted garlic and pepper, onion powder, cayenne powder, some favora, and some black pepper. Cleaned the chicken and rinsed them a few times, and I have patted them dry a little bit with some kitchen towel. I have removed as much fat as I could from the chicken. So I'm going to season this and let the season go in for a while, and then we will be baking these off. I have chopped onions, celery stalk, half a tomato, half of green sweet pepper, ginger, garlic, chive, and some fresh thyme. I'm going to add that first into the pan. I'm gonna spread it over the bottom of the pan. Now I'm going to lay the chicken on top of this. Now I've added all the chicken into the pan. I have a couple cloves of cloves. Couple cloves of cloves. I have a couple pieces of clove. I'm gonna add that in randomly. I have about 6 pieces. Now I'm going to put this into the oven for at least 45 minutes on 250 degrees Celsius, and then I will check on the chicken. We're going to make the sauce now for the chicken. I'm going to add ketchup, depends on how much chicken you have, you make this amount of sauce. I have a lot of chicken, so sweet chili sauce, have some barbecue sauce, ketchup, a little bit of oyster sauce, and sugar. I'm using a teaspoon. Set this aside until the chicken is nearly finished, and then you will put this over the chicken.
Every kiss, every hug, let me stay in your arms.
This will go back into the oven for 5 minutes. Just let the sauce kind of crisp up together with the chicken, and then you're finished. Look how beautiful the chicken thighs has turned out. So glossy and pretty. That it's so tasty when you taste it. Let me show you how soft they are. Look at this. It just falls apart. Delicious. That's how both sides look. It just falls apart. I hope you enjoyed today with us again in the kitchen. Give this recipe a try, and until the next video, love and blessings.